Hello guys and welcome back to another video on how to grow. Today we're going to be discussing if my AI on Snapchat is safe or not. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on any new videos by us. Without further ado, let's get started. If you've been using Snapchat for a while and your Snapchat application is up to date, you know that there's this new feature called My AI on Snapchat. My AI is a Snapchat chatbot that is powered by OpenAI's ChatGPT technology. While it was designed to be fun, to converse with the users, to answer questions, offer advice, etc., it certainly has its demerits. Some of the main concerns while using My AIs is the privacy concern. My AI basically collects the data about your conversations with it. Even if this data is claimed not to be shared with third parties, it is still a major privacy concern as it collects all your information. And sometimes, due to my AI still being under development, it may give you inappropriate responses, even though it is abided by certain guidelines to avoid certain topics such as drug keywords and slang. Even though it is rarely the case, it is still important to be aware of this and to avoid sharing any personal information with my AI. So it's generally considered to be safe, even though there are some potential risks. And keeping these risks in mind, go ahead and use this My AI cautiously. I hope this video was useful and informative. If you have any questions still, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.